So this is a guide to using the LMS, to navigating the LMS. You have to type the address for the LMS, that's rubylms.charistech.org. Then you have to log in once the page is displayed. So here I'm gonna enter the student's ID and I've entered the password for this student. Just wait for it to load. Right, so now that it's loaded, you have to open this sidebar. Alright, so you see a list of different things you can do. Right, you can go to courses, dashboard. The dashboard is where you are at the moment. So once you open the sidebar, if you want to collapse it anytime, just tap this place. Okay, so I'm going to courses. Now this is where you'll be spending most of your time, this courses here. Alright, so this is digital and AI literacy. If you are not enrolled in a particular course, you won't see it on your courses list. You just scroll down, and you click open course. Once you open the course, you can access the modules that are unlocked. So each week lesson is in modules. Alright, so we have the overview, modules, live classes, blah blah blah. Now before we go on, okay, now let's just proceed. So modules, go to modules. I don't want to use this one to describe it. Let me use a different course. Let me just go back to my dashboard. When you're on the dashboard, you can see a list of the courses you are enrolled in. So my courses, you can see Tech Launchpad. This student is enrolled in this course, and this digital and AI literacy. I want to use this Tech Launchpad as a sample to explain. So you click open course. So there are two places you can access your courses from: the sidebar where you see courses, and then the dashboard. So you scroll down and locate open course. Okay, once you open the course ready, you can navigate to the modules. So you have different modules. This module is open, module 1. Any module that is open, you're going to see it, and you see published, right? You see published here, and you have module 1, overview of technology. So you can just open the module. Any module you want to access, you open it. All right, so I've opened this module, and this is okay. It says this module introduces the students to the world of technology, just beyond just coding. This is just like an overview of the module. You can go to the next module or go back to the course. So I'm not going to do that. I want to click on open page. Now the lessons are divided into pages. Actually, each weekly lesson is in pages. So you have this page, what is technology. You have another one, why technology matters. You have another one, tech career paths. You have another one, okay, this is not, no, this is another one. Okay, so you can open the first page or any of the page. You can open the first page. Once you open the first page, you can easily move to the other pages. So you see here it says overview of technology, page 1 of 6. 7 minutes. This 7 minutes is estimated time for you to complete the page, right? So after completing the page, you can mark as done, but you can't mark as done until this timer reads up to this 7 minutes. All right, so it says technology is anything humans create to solve problems. So these are the lessons, right? These are the lessons on this page. And if there's any page that has video, you're going to see the video here, and you're going to play it. You can click on the play button. I think I get why this is not playing. The reason why this is not playing is because of the kind of screen I'm on. Okay, so if I click play, it's gonna play. So you can see playing. Alright, so let me just return it back to how it was. Okay. So remember that you can easily go to the next page. When you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see next page. So you click on it, next page. You can navigate all the pages like that, next page, next page, next page, until you are done. Now you can go to the previous page, or you go back to the module here. Now if you want to take your quiz, there are weekly quizzes. If you want to take your weekly quiz, just open the sidebar again and locate quizzes. So once you click on quizzes, you're going to see it. I'm going to see it. So this is one quiz. There is quiz X. So the time is 2 minutes, and there are 3 attempts left here. So you can open quiz. Now each quiz has a number of attempts you can take. That the number of attempts determines the number of times you can take the quiz. So if you have 3 attempts, it means you can attempt the quiz 3 times. You can attempt and submit 3 times. And if you have just 1 attempt, you can only attempt it 1 time. So if there's any issue, any technical difficulty while taking the quiz, maybe you were not able to submit or something, or there's network glitch and you can't access the quiz again, you can just reach out. We can reset that for you. We can rectify that for you. So it says ready to start, confirm the details before the timer begins. Okay, and the instructions will be here. It says answer all. All right, so you have 3 attempts left. So just now take note of this due date. Now a quiz will not be available at the due date. Once it is due, it will not be available again. You won't be able to take the quiz again. So let me just click start quiz here. All right, so we have this quiz workspace here. This is attempt 1, and that's 0.5 answered. 0.5 answered. Sorry, just want to do something. Okay, I'm intentionally making it like this so that you would be able to view it. Okay, all right. Okay, so there we have it. It says 0/5 questions answered, and then you have your time left here, 1 minute 9 seconds. You have to be fast about that. What is AI? Okay, this one is a single answer. You just select the answer and you move on to the next one, and whichever one you have chosen, you see it will be color green, so meaning that you have answered it. This one is select more than one. So which of this is an AI tool? Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, these are AI tools. So you can select more than one. Whenever you see a box like this, box kind of questions like this, those are select more than one answer. This one is true or false. Now this one, you type the answer, you just type something. Next. Now this one, you select a match. Web developer, you select JavaScript. For this one, graphics designer, what matches it? Photoshop. Ethical hacker, what matches it? Linux, and so on and so forth. Then you can submit quiz anytime you want. So your quiz has been submitted. Score 4.75. That's your score. So you see your score immediately, you submit, and you can see it here also. Attempt 1, 4.75 points. The reason why you can still start this quiz is because you have 2 more attempts left. If I click on this, you see 2 more attempts left. You have 2 attempts left. Can you see that? So that's how you access quizzes. And if at any time you have assignments, just come back to your sidebar again. Then you come to assignments. Assignments. All right. So if you have any assignments, you will see it. This one is Tech Launch March April final assignment, and the due date is there also. Now this assignment is closed because the due date has passed, so you cannot submit again. You see, the due date has passed, so you can't submit again. All right. Now if at any time you need to chat with any of your colleagues, you can just come to chat here. All right, so it says you have no chats yet. Now if you want to start a chat, you can use private chat or group chat. Private chat is with one individual. You can only select one person, while group chat is with a group. You can select more than one people to chat with. All right, so I'm going to start a private chat, for instance, with who should I chat with? let me chat with the admin as a student. So you click start chat. So once you see it here, no messages yet because you have not sent any message. All right, so you can just send hi. Just type hi and click send message. So you have sent that, right? You have sent that. So anytime there's a new message, you will see the chat here will have something like 1 or 2, or depending on the number of message you have. So now once the person replies, you see their reply here too. So I believe we can wrap up on that, and you can always you can ask questions and answers here, Q&A. You can post a question, maybe on the course, select the course you want. If you have more than one courses, then you title, maybe the title is AI. The question, which AI feature, which AI tool is good for image generation, right? And then you click ask question. So that's how you ask questions there, right? That's how you ask questions there. So if you want to access your profile, you can, there are two ways. You can click on this your image here. This S1 is standing for student 1. You can click on that, it will take you to the profile page, or you click on this, you open your sidebar, and then you locate profile, and you click on profile, so it lands you on the same page. So what can you change here? You can change your image, you can change your password. You can change your password. It is advisable when you are given your default password, you should change it. Alright, so this is where you see your notifications, the in-app notifications. Then you can log out with this button here. Click on it and then you log out. So that's all about the LMS.